How to make easy Chinese adobo. First, heat sesame oil in a pan and then saute garlic and ginger. Next, add in the chicken pieces. And then cook until they are all lightly browned. Next, we add 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of apple juice, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 cup of water. And then we cover and cook for 45 minutes on medium-low. After 15 minutes, as you can see, I opened it and flipped the chicken so that the other side could be submerged to the sauce. And then I cover it again and continue cooking. And then you're done. Thank you for watching.